Morning, y'all. I figured I'd come on out here and let the chickens on out. Well, just a second here. How do I spin this camera around? Well, we'll just try to do it this way here. Look at that, folks. That's all the snow they got. They was telling us 4 to 10 inches, and that's all we got last night. Ridiculous. I like what Gator said in my last video. He says, "It's a hot day, snow. You come up here. I'll show you what snow is." Anyway, get out here and let's see here. Sure wish I knew how to spin this camera around. Does that do it? Nope. Yeah, it don't matter. We'll go like this here. And see if I can do this one-handed. What's up, birds? Is it too dark in there? Can you see anything? It's too cold. You guys don't want to come on out? Huh? You don't want to come out? Smart birds. It's chilly out here today. Anyway, the real purpose of why I'm making this video, y'all, is Monday night at 6 o'clock our time. I think it was 6 o'clock. I better double check on this stuff. Two Family Homestead is having me as a guest on their show to fill in for Mapleberry Farms. They couldn't make it for their scheduled deal, so I'm filling in for them. So I just said, if y'all wanted to see me on an interview, or on a, I don't want to call it an interview, but on a chat over on Two Family, it'll be Monday evening. I'll leave it in the descriptions below. Just remember, folks, as girls don't find you handsome like me. Look at those eyes, aren't they handsome? And they can at least find me handy like me. If they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye. Yeah, y'all come back now here. Now, if a woman can't find you handy, or they can't find you good looking like me, just pray that they find you. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all come back now. You hear?